Hi, I'm Pamela.
Hi, I'm Wanxian.
I am Hong Jun.
Hi, I'm Amber.
Hi, I'm Sumi. Together we are Team Orange.
Yay!
Yay!
Hi everyone, we will be going through the following contents in our report, that is market objectives and milestones, market research and our strategy, segments and targets, analysis of the DSRR, competitor study, positioning map, product strategy, marketing mix and IDA. Our business objective is to expand to the Europe and Asian market, and we target to achieve the top 3 spot in the mobile industry. And our milestone to achieve would be 21 million euros in gross profit by the end of round 6. And we target at least 10% market share in both markets so as to achieve at least 30% margin by the end of round 6. Based on practice round 1, we decided to target the market using geographic segmentation and demographic segmentations. High-end segments for Asian and Europe market projected higher demands in practice round 1. The pie chart shows the percentage results are based on individual market size for Europe and Asia. Market size in Europe is forecasted much higher than of the Asian market. We have also decided to use differentiated target approach for the Europe market, that is selling multiple products to more than one segment. For practice round 2, we actually observed the market size growth for both markets increased twice as much as practice round 1. The estimated growth of high-end segments are higher in comparison to low-end segments. Growth in low-end segment is slow but progressing. So the team has decided to generate more revenue in larger segments for both markets by catering to the demands of high-end households and companies. I will now pass over to Pamela for more insight.
Thank you, Sumi, for the introduction. I'm Pamela of Team Orange. I'm going to talk to you today about the segment and targets that our team has chosen. On phone feature segmentation, we will design our product based on the top 3 desired features from the target segments, such as high-end household prefers premium camera, extra memory, and premium display, and high-end companies prefers premium display, water resistance, and security. We will also adjust the features accordingly after each round based on the sales, and also adjust it to stay competitive with our key competitors based on market outlook. Market research and marketing strategy. From practice round 1, market outlook shows results of market size from high-end segments and noticeable figures for both Europe and Asia. This trend was carried over to practice round 2, and response from low-end segments are also slowly picking up. The core segments to target, after studying the market size of both practice rounds, we decided to promote our products to the high-end segments as it shows promising turnovers. For Europe market, the demand for phone had also reached a decent level as compared to the slow-growing Asia market. Therefore, our strategy is to invest more in Europe market before we pick up Asia's production when the market growth improves. Deriving decision of pricing strategy. Based on target market in Europe, we conclude from practice round 2 that margin does not equate to higher share price. You can see from the chart below, as compared to our competitors, we are actually on par in terms of margin after advertising and channel investment, but this did not give us the higher share price. So we decided on a higher pricing strategy to gain margin for the actual game, hoping that when we tweak the pricing, accompanied with other factors, it can gain us a higher share price. Another part of our strategy includes reduction of fixed costs. From the income statement between practice round 1 and practice round 2, we actually noticed that consistent production on best-selling products help us to reduce the fixed costs, and it will enable a healthier balance sheet against our competitors.
Hi, I'm Hong Jun. In this presentation, I shall present on DSRR portion. To evaluate whether our target segment can be profitable, we adopted the use of the DSRR study. Definable. An estimate of 700,000 units from high-end segments can be observed from the market outlook in practice round 1. 1.6 million units were sold in Europe for high-end household and high-end companies in practice round 2. Next. For sizable, by looking at market growth forecasted at 1 million units at practice round 2 for high-end segments. If we were to sell 1% of the forecasted sales for $300 per unit, we will achieve $3 million in revenue. Target segment can generate a substantial revenue. Next. For channeling part, is unreachable. Different channels are used to reach out to customers, namely online, generalists, and specialists. Investment on desired channels are based on the market outlook each year. Advertising are also used as a means to create awareness for our products. Lastly will be relevant. Phones are designed in accordance to the featured preference survey. Desired features such as security and premium camera were considered in our phone design so that our products for targeted high-end segment can be more attractive than our competitors. So I shall pass on the next to Wan Xian.
Hello everyone, I'm Wan Xian and I'll be presenting on a competitor study. In this universe, we are playing against 8 other teams. As mentioned, high-end segments will be our target for both markets. So we will look into who we think the key competitors are. Key competitors identified are Team Ochre, Team Pentagon, and Team Blue in the Europe market. As for the Asia market, they are Team Yellow, Team Navy, and Team Blue. Due to unpredictable future market outlook, different strategies may also have the chance to turn the tide of the game. That's why our team think it is important to understand our key competitors and other opponents in this market to increase our chance of gaining more share price. Looking at the pricing and profit generated from our competitors' product, our strategy to price out product for future rounds will be properly studied so that we can input a reasonable amount and still stay competitive with our opponents. As there are a number of competitors we are competing against, our team look into increasing our profitability by focusing on the economics of scale by adopting the production concept. As we studied the market research and realized that the target audience loved their phones with good features and capabilities with a fair selling price, we then plan to include the product concept into selling our phones in the market. To study our competitors and how we can be more unique in the market to attract more target audience, we plotted both our product and key competitors' best-selling products onto the positioning map. This mapping is based on the selling price and the capabilities that our key competitors and our products offered. As you can see, we are positioned away from the competitors cluster, which we thought that the product we are selling can provide the market with something more different from our key competitors. While some customers may be attracted to the high price and high capability product, our reasonable price products with acceptable level of capabilities may stand a chance to attract other customers under the same target segments. Unique as we will look into strategically reposition ourselves in future rounds to be close to our competitors and increase our profit revenue in order to gain more share price by the end of round 6. In reference to our positioning map, we will derive the product strategy by adopting the 3 product layers analysis based on the current product specifications of each rounds. Our team will then discuss on what improvements we can include into the current product to make it more appealing to our target audience. The improvements, changes in our phone designs, and benefits it offers are decided in a way that we can still be as unique as compared to our competitors' product. This is the strategy we will apply for every round, and this is where we try our best to be in the top 3 in the phone market. For that, I'll hand over to my teammate Amber to talk about the marketing mix.
Hello everyone, I'm Amber. I'm gonna talk about the 4 P's of marketing. 4 P's model plays a very important role in the world of marketing to pursue our marketing objectives in the target market. So firstly is price. We design our phone models based on the feature preferences. As research, Sports was the preferred phone design for Europe, Avant-Garde and Classic for Asia. Secondly is price. We set it as value-based pricing strategy. Based on the practice round 1 result, there was a similar interest at higher priced products with similar features with our competitors. As you can see the illustration below, we decided to promote our products at a fair and competitive price between 350 to 500 to maximize the profit margin. Thirdly is place. Place is considered as product placement or distribution, whether in the physical stores or virtual online. It is essential to think about who our customers likely to be, where they like to purchase. So we analyze in the market outlook of different rounds and invest according to the preference of the target audience. And fourthly is promotion. Promotion is the platform to reach our target audience. Based on our budget, we will allocate the relevant amount into each segment. Therefore, we have implemented the ADA model, which are attention, desire, interest, action, for our advertising to increase the awareness of our products, as well as determine how much advertising is to be invested. Okay, we are done.